Hi friends! Thank you for stopping by Bella Rose Kisses. I am a cute kitten, again. I'm at Zubu, obviously. And I took this look from a day out with grandma, a lunch with grandma and my family, and added a few quick things, so just watch, and transformed myself into a cute kitten. Fun fact, I don't like chickens. All right, let's get started. I already have on my Silk Primer and Pore Minimizer and a foundation. I also have on some white concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup like I normally would, like I'm going out, because I am going out. We're taking my grandma to lunch, and then we are going to a Halloween event. So I'm gonna show you how to take a normal face look and transform it quickly when you're on the road into a Halloween look, so you can have options for Halloween. All right, friends, makeup is done, but this is my going out to lunch with grandma look, although my brows are a little darker than they normally would be because I'm gonna do furry feet line later. So I am good to go for now. This is what I'm gonna look like at lunchtime, and then when we are done, we are gonna add a little bit of makeup and some cute little kitty ears, and we're gonna make this everyday look transform into not furry, fluffy. I'll come with a better name. So just watch. All right, we're trying to make do. I'm in my in-laws' house and I don't have a lot of room. So we're gonna try to make myself into a kitten, and oh look, the cat is really trying to help. Hey Frankie. Okay, so. Now let's do the tricky part. I see the cat behind me. You guys could only see the number of cats that are here actually watching me and judging me. Sorry, this is not optimal, but getting the job done. And the cats are judging me. Hey, so there you have it. I was able to simply add some black highlighter, our iSense Long Lasting Eyeliner Pencil. Added a little pink berry blush. I just had to tone down a little bit. Earth Whip Sense, some ears, and I'm ready for the video. Super easy.
I love the side of your house. Oh, I really didn't know. Oh.
Little known fact, sharks wear tennis shoes.
Okay, let's see where it goes.
Okay.
You got a piece of candy. All right.
All right, friends, thanks for stopping by Bella Rose Kisses. We are done here at the Zubu. Had a lot of fun. Hope you had a chance to watch how I transform my regular everyday makeup to a cute kitten, super fast, super easy. I'll see you on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever else we meet.